Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with 4 different ideas on how to prepare your oatmeal overnight. If you haven't jumped into the oatmeal craze, let me just give you some few reasons why you should be eating this easy to prepare nutritious meal. Oats are very filling, so if you are looking into losing weight, this is a perfect way to start your day because you'll be filled for longer. You won't need to snack too soon, and it can carry you from morning till lunchtime. And then it is rich in fiber, so this will make your metabolism work a little bit faster, and it can also help you in dealing with issues like constipation. It is rich in antioxidant and a lot of good minerals, and yeah, jump in the craze guys. So let's get into the video. I soaked my oatmeal in cranberry juice. I took one and a half cup of rolled oats, and then I soaked it in a cup of cranberry juice, and I just left it in my fridge for the rest of the night. So what we are gonna do today is just to assemble everything and to make it look nice. So I'm just gonna take some of the oats and put them on a plate. So this can serve like 2 people. So as you can see, the oats sort of take the color of the juice, which makes it look really pretty. I'm just gonna spread it out like that. And now once I've done that, I'm gonna take 1 sliced banana, and then I'm just gonna place it around just to make it look pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with my sliced strawberries, and then I'm also just gonna put them around like that. We want to make this really colorful and appetizing as possible. There we have it. And then I'm gonna go in with my berries right there, and then I'm gonna put them in the center like blueberries there. And then just put a lot of that in the center. What I like to do is to finish it off with some double cream plain yogurt. So I'm just gonna take some of it and put it right there at the center. So there you have it. You have your fruity bowl of oats filled with fruits and all things good. So stick to the end of the video. I'll have the health properties of each and every major ingredient to make this and to make the other dishes as well. Today I'm very excited because I'm a fan of peanut butter like hardcore. So my overnight oats, I soaked them in milk, 1.5 cup of milk, and it was also 1.5 cup of oats, and then I just covered them up and then I put them in the fridge overnight. Today we're going to use strawberries and banana for our toppings, and some raisins and some crunchy yummy peanut butter, just to give it a little bit of a crunch. So to start off, I am gonna add some raisins in there, just a couple. The rest of it we'll use it as topping. And then I'm gonna take in like a large scoop of peanut butter, and I'm just gonna mix it. That looks yum yum. Peanut butter is amazing. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I soaked it with a spoon of cinnamon, hence you see the brownish color. So it's a cup of milk, half a cup of milk, half a cup of oats, and a spoon of cinnamon, and leave it overnight. So everything has mixed in well. Now I'm gonna move into assembling everything. I just have this cool jar here. You can get this for really cheap, like 15 rands at Checkers. So that's that. And then I'm gonna take my oats, and then I'm just gonna place it in there. What I made today can serve like about 3 people. So just gonna get a lot of oats in there. Ooh, I'm making a mess, but it's fine. So I have my oats in there. Then I'm just gonna put in my strawberries. That already looks yum. My strawberries have gone in there. And then I'm just gonna put my sliced bananas. So you have your bananas in there, and I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of raisins. Just push it down a little. There we have it. I'm just gonna clean it up, make it look pretty. And then you have your breakfast in a jar. You can even prepare this like overnight and then store them in the fridge. You just grab a jar in the morning and you're out. Hello guys, today I am making an apple flavored oatmeal. I have my pineapple here, and I have my apples that were fried in cinnamon, butter and brown sugar, and I just have some raisins, and I have my oatmeal that was soaked overnight. I had 2 cups of oatmeal and equal quantities of fresh low-fat milk. So what I'm gonna do now is just assemble everything. I'm just gonna put it in there. Spread it out a little bit. Like that. What I made can serve like 3 to 4 people. Not 3 actually. 4 people will be too much. And then now my hands are gonna get a little bit dirty. I'm gonna take my pineapple, put it right at the center of everything. I love pineapple. And then I'm just gonna put my apples there. A lot of cinnamon because I love cinnamon, but you can like put less if you don't love cinnamon that much. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some raisins there. I think this is very simple, So there we have it. We have our April themed oatmeal, and I'm gonna go in for a taste. That tastes amazing. I'm just gonna get everything there. My apple, my pineapple. This is the bottom. Reminds me very much of apple pie because of the cinnamon and the apple. Amazing. I have what I call tropical chocolatey fiesta. Here I just have some chocolate droplets or chocolate drops or chocolate chips. I'm just adding some of them into my oatmeal that was soaked in milk overnight. 1 cup of it. 1 cup of oatmeal soaked in 1 cup of milk. So I'm just gonna mix in the chocolate chips in there. They're right in there. And then I'm gonna mix in just a couple of raisins. And then now I'm gonna assemble it. I'm gonna put it in a jar like this, and then we'll put on the toppings. So I'm just gonna put some oatmeal in there. We have our oatmeal as our base, and then we're gonna go in with some bananas. Just drop them in there. And then I'm gonna go in with some blueberries just to give it some color. Then we have our blueberries in there, and then we're gonna top it off with pineapple. I think pineapple makes it have this fresh taste to it, a fresh tangy taste, and it gives me tropical vibes. Tropical vibes. Now let me put out some more pineapple. Can never have enough of pineapple. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some double cream. Oh, that looks yummy. Plain yogurt. And I'm gonna go back with the chocolate chips, and then just top it off. And then we have our yummy chocolatey tropical jar. Yeah, that's the stuff for today. And then to taste, I'm gonna try and get everything. As low as the fruits, but there's a bit of oatmeal there. The explosion that's happening in my mouth right now. The chocolate, the oatmeal, the blueberries, everything. 100. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you do try out these ideas, please come back and comment and tell me how it went and how they taste. And please like, subscribe and share as much as possible. Your help will be very much appreciated. I'm out. Till next time.